A couple of questions about slope. I added 2 video links on here for you to be able to check it out. But slope is rise over run. So if we were to look at this line, we can tell that it's going downhill. So downhill, we know it needs to be negative, and rise over run. You went down 1 over 2. Down 1 over 2. Right? You can also get slope. This is still negative. We have our formula, y equals mx plus b. M is your slope. B is your y-intercept. And we can see that this graph crosses the y-axis at -1. And if we do our slope, we go 1, 2, 3, 4, and over 1, 2, 3. And it's negative because we're going downhill. We'll get more into slope later in the second 9 weeks, but there are 4 different types. This is important. Positive looks like we are going up a hill. Negative looks like we're going downhill. We can have zero slope, which is a horizontal line, and it'll be determined by x equals a number. X equals 2, x equals 3, x equals -7. Or we have undefined slope, which is a vertical line. And its equation will be written as y equals a number. So y equals 0, y equals 3, y equals 7, and so forth. But don't worry about that. We will get into that later in the year. I also posted a video on here that goes into greater detail about multi-step inequalities. And that was what we covered in our Zoom meeting today. So be sure that if you did not attend and you have any other questions, that you contact me so that I'm able to answer whatever questions you may have. We'll have another meeting next Friday, and I plan to see more of y'all in attendance then. Have a great weekend.